Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'll show you how to use Canva AI to create a logo. Okay, so you can open Canva AI from here, Canva AI, or just click this tab here, then click designs. Okay, then choose logo. Here you can type or paste your prompts. So for this example, we're going to use this prompt here: minimal red logo for digital content tools. So minimal is the style, red is the color of your logo, and the digital content tools is the name of your brand. So let us copy this prompt. Then we paste it here. Click this arrow icon to generate your logo. So you can see that Canva AI is generating your logo. So here we have 4 designs, okay? You can choose which one you like. Let us go with this one. So if you want to generate more designs, you can click this icon here. More minimal red logo designs, okay? If you are satisfied with this design, just click use Canva editor. So here you can add some changes, okay? You can edit your text. You can make it bold if you want. You can change text color, make it red. So if you're satisfied with your edits, just click share. Download and choose PNG and click download to save your logo into a local storage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please ensure that you like it and subscribe so that you don't miss my next videos.